Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to lock WhatsApp without using any kind of app lock. Whenever we want to lock any app, we generally go to Play Store and search app lock. But in this video I will show you how to lock WhatsApp without using any app lock app. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Now what you have to do, you can see here at the top of the right side 3-dot line. So just click on 3-dot line. Now you can see settings. Just click on settings. It's okay. Next you will get your account details. Then you can see here that is named account. So just click on account. Now you can see here that is 2-step verification. So just click on 2-step verification. You can see here such kind of interface. Next just click on enable. Just click on enable. It's okay. Now set 6-digit PIN number. So I am going to set 6-digit PIN number here. Give again 6-digit PIN for confirming. This is the most important part of this video. You must add your Gmail or email address to secure your app. When you forget your PIN, they will send you text on your Gmail or email address. So must use Gmail or email address here. I am going to use my Gmail. Now again give your Gmail for confirming. So I type again my Gmail. Now click save. You can see here 2-step verification is enabled. Just click on done. Now you successfully set your 2-step verification and your app lock. So I am going to back to see it is working or not. So I open WhatsApp and you can see here it is working successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it